The 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon X has always been a champion of off-roading. This year, Jeep has taken that title to a whole new level with the addition of the Jeep Performance Parts, JPP, Lift Kit. This factory-backed upgrade transforms the Gladiator Rubicon X into an unstoppable force, ready to conquer any terrain you throw at it. The JPP Lift Kit is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a meticulously engineered package that increases the Gladiator Rubicon X's ground clearance, approach angles, breakover angles, and departure angles. This translates to a vehicle that can handle steeper inclines, crawl over larger obstacles, and navigate tight trails with greater ease. The specifics of the lift kit haven't been officially revealed yet, but based on leaks and educated guesses from automotive journalists, the JPP Lift Kit is expected to provide a lift of around 2 inches. This might seem like a small change, but in the world of off-roading, it can make a world of difference. In addition to the lift itself, the JPP Lift Kit is also expected to include upgraded shocks and suspension components. These components will be specifically tuned to work with the increased ride height, ensuring that the Gladiator Rubicon X maintains its legendary handling and stability, even on the most challenging terrain. The JPP Lift Kit complements the Gladiator Rubicon X's already impressive off-road credentials. The vehicle comes standard with the RockTrack 4x4 system, which features heavy-duty Dana 44 front and rear axles, a 4:1 low-range gear ratio, and TrueLock electronic locking differentials. These features provide exceptional traction and control, allowing the Gladiator Rubicon X to dig its way out of mud, climb over rocks, and navigate loose terrain with ease. The Gladiator Rubicon X also boasts impressive approach, breakover, and departure angles, even without the JPP Lift Kit. However, the added ground clearance from the lift kit further enhances these angles, giving drivers even more confidence when tackling technical trails. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon X with JPP Lift Kit isn't just about conquering the wilderness, it's also about doing it in comfort. The Rubicon X boasts a host of premium features that make it a pleasure to drive on and off the road. Heated Nappa leather seats, a heated steering wheel, and a large Uconnect touchscreen infotainment system with navigation are just a few of the amenities that make the Gladiator Rubicon X's cabin a comfortable and convenient place to be. The Gladiator Rubicon X also offers a surprising amount of passenger and cargo space for a mid-size truck. The open-air bed makes it ideal for hauling gear for your next off-road adventure, while the comfortable rear seats ensure that your passengers will arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon X with JPP Lift Kit is more than just an off-road beast. It's also a versatile vehicle that can handle a variety of tasks. With its impressive towing capacity and payload capacity, the Gladiator Rubicon X can easily handle hauling a trailer, camping gear, or even a small boat. The Gladiator Rubicon X's combination of off-road capability, comfort, and versatility makes it a compelling choice for anyone who needs a vehicle that can handle anything they throw at it. Whether you're an avid off-road enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or someone who simply needs a capable and comfortable truck, the Gladiator Rubicon X with JPP Lift Kit is a vehicle that can meet your needs.